Hello, welcome to Martine's MS video blog number 11. I think I mentioned about the autonomic disorder in previous episode, but I'll tell you what, it's got very much worse now. During the week I ended up in St. Vincent's University Hospital emergency department on account of having had chest pain overnight and a very uncomfortable crushing sensation in my chest the next day. And I have been out of breath when I've stood up. I have nearly passed out when I am standing up. It just keeps recurring, this standing up, passing out sequence. So I had taken my own blood pressures. They varied from at home takings readings were 167, systolic the highest, and 75 systolic the lowest. That was, the lower ones were always after getting up. So, you know, that's dangerously low. And the higher one is quite unhealthily high. When I had the readings taken by the paramedics and at the hospital, the BP went up even higher. Well, that wouldn't be expected. It was in its 180s. And the doctor there said, well, you can't go on with blood pressure like that. Trouble is, when I've been on BP pills before, they have slowed my heart down to 30 beats per minute, and I couldn't function on that either. So it's a tricky one. And the readings I've taken since at home have been today. Now, yesterday they weren't good, but today very normal. I don't know what. I'm feeling a little bit better, just a little bit better. More energy, I think. But I'll tell you, the only different thing I've taken today is this Korean ginseng. I don't know, placebo effect, who knows? But I'll try it on, try it off, and record whether I've taken the tablet or not, and see what the results are as regards autonomic function. I can't think that they would work for that. But one thing the doctor told me in Vincent's was never to stand in queues. Well, I know that myself. I can't really do it now. I was getting there, but it's just impossible. I'll start greying out immediately and liable to end up on the floor. So I had to ask Marks and Spencer discreetly, one of the staff, could I sit down somewhere until I was ready to be served? And they kindly afforded that to me. Staff member told me to sit in the shoe area, you know, the only place really that there is a seat in the shop, and that they'd come and take me to the till when the assistant was free. So that worked out nicely. But I did have to think of another way of not having to stand in queues. So I had thought about it before, and I did something about it during the week. I ordered a mobility scooter, small one, and well, at least to start with. I might need a heavy duty one later, goodness knows, but at least I'll know whether the idea is a good one for me. It arrived yesterday, and I unpacked the box at least and took the parts out of it. It was some doing getting the parts out, and it took a little thinking outside the box, because I don't have the strength to lift things much, but I had my own little ingenious ways of doing things. Let me show you the fully assembled item. I have it outside the apartment in the hallway. Hopefully it won't be too intrusive there. I can always take it in during the week, you know, to let the cleaners clean the hall. But for over the weekend, it's not doing any harm out there. So I was able to put that together pretty niftily and easily. I'm not bad at assembling things, though I say so myself. I'm pretty good at stuff. Like my parents, and indeed my mother, she could have assembled that in a jiffy. So I'll see you next time, and thank you for watching.